First of all, I like to say that this is my office, but I actually share it with this beast of a cat that decided this is her room. I'm gonna go ahead and show you my office. When you walk in, all I got is a very simple, inexpensive, we're gonna ignore Gabby. Anyways, I just got a very simple mid-century writing desk that came from Target. You guys, it's not available anymore. But I'll see if I can find some desks that are similar like this and put them in my description box below. I keep my different things that I use regularly on top of my desk. Gabby, you are being loud. We're trying to show this room. Shh, quiet. Quiet, Gab. Look at the wild in her face. So I keep on my desk the stuff that I use every week. This is my meal planner. And then this is the planner that I'm using this year. I used to do Erin Condren, but then I realized, it was kind of fun with all the stickers and everything, but I'm more of a functional planner, and I wanted something just to write in for function. And then I've got a notebook that I use. This one is for, I'm doing Color Street nails. And you can still hear her. We're going to ignore her. If you're interested in Color Street nails, I'll put a link to my VIP page in my description box below as well. So we'll go ahead and come in here. This is my desk chair, which I love. This is my favorite piece in here. I'll put a link to this chair if it's still available. I got it on Amazon in my description box below. We can still hear her in the background. And see, it's just a very simple writing desk. And I just keep the things that I need, you know, in the little compartments. Look at her. She's so naughty. Look at this silly cat. Yeah, you're naughty. You know I'm filming and this is how you behave. You are showing it. You are showing the world. Yep. Take a look at my curtain rod. Kind of industrial looking. I got that from Steinmart, which I will put a link in the description box below. And then my curtains, yeah, you can kind of see the pattern in it. You guys can see that pattern? They are room darkening, and these, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm not 100% sure where these came from. I got gray curtains for each window in my house, different kinds. And so probably this might have probably this came from Amazon. I'm going to try to remember where I got this from and link it below. If I can't, I apologize. I just simply do not remember. And then I don't know if you can see my plants or not here. I wanted to show you. Okay, let's see if we can kind of focus on it. See my little planters? They're kind of hard to see because they're, you know, they're in the window. But I've got this design planter from a little Etsy shop. And then, it's not going to happen. There's a similar style like girl on this one. I got my plants from Home Depot. And then this came in a set of 2, I believe. And this is from Etsy as well. I'll put a link to that shop in my description box below. I love supporting Etsy shops, you guys. All through my house, you guys, I have these bags that were like $14.99 from 31 bags. I'll put a link to the bag in my description box below. Grady's mom sells 31 bags, and that's who I go through. So I'll put a link to her channel and a link to her link for 31 bags if you're interested. I like to use them for organizational purposes. And then I tried to compromise with the cat, and I brought this chair that I've had a set of for 102 years that was in the garage, and I actually reupholstered it myself with some old curtains like 10 years ago, I think. And then I put this little blanket on here because this is Gabby's chair, because she was trying to take over my chair. And so she got her own chair. And sometimes when I'm really nice, I put it in front of the window so she can look out of the window and be in the sun and all that. The artwork in this room, there's these 2 little ladies, and then I have a third lady over here. I actually bought the prints digitally from an Etsy shop that I'll link in the description box below. Culprit. Hey, I'm trying to film a... She's naughty, guys. She's so naughty. Trying to film a video. I sent the digital print to Office Max, and they printed these up for me. And then I got super inexpensive frames from Amazon. I got them in, it was like I could buy them in bulk. So I think I got like 10 for a certain price. I'll put that in the description box below. I really like them. They are heavy duty. It is hard to tell online, but these are actually very heavy duty, very high quality, and they have like a peel and stick clinger on it. So the cool thing about that is when you're dealing with pictures this big, putting them together yourself, you always deal with something gets in the frame and then you can see it, right? Well, this is like a peel and stick cling on both sides. So you deal with the inside first. You only peel it off right when you're going to lay your picture in. And then what you do is put it together, flip it over, and you get the outside cling off. And then you're not dealing with any kind of nonsense having to do with picture frames. In the corner here, I have like a little sitting area. My chair here, now I'll link this in the description box below. I believe that this came from Wayfair. It's a massage chair. That's why it's plugged in over there. And it's got a little pocket that it holds the little remote control massage situation. It also reclines. I really like this chair. It is a simple chair though. So if you're 5'10", 6 foot, 6'5", this chair might be not a good size for you. It might not be quite big enough to be relaxing for you. I mean, it's not uncomfortable to sit in by any means. It's just, you know, not for a very tall person, I would say, because I'm only 5'4", so it's perfect Leslie size. And I love it, and it fits in this room perfectly. And then my little blanket on my chair here is Vera Bradley. I actually picked this up a couple of years ago when I went to the huge sale that you have to buy tickets for in the Indianapolis area to go. I don't know that I thought it was worth the drive. The tickets were 10 a piece, and I got one for my daughter and my mom, so that was $30. And then, of course, the gas going out there and back. It was more about the experience, I guess. I wasn't that impressed with their sales just because we have a Vera Bradley outlet near us. And so probably 4 times a year they have the same pricing. So it was kind of like, why would I drive all the way to Indianapolis? Now, if you don't have an outlet by you, I can see where that might make sense. So I don't know that I'll go to that again. But yeah, this is Vera Bradley. I'm not even sure if they have this print. I love their blankets. I have probably 6 or 7 of them throughout the house. They're the perfect throw size, and they're just so comfortable, colorful, cozy. Love them. Over here, I've got a little side table. I got this from Walmart, and you put it together yourself, and I think it was like $19. Is it perfect? No, but I'm fine with it because this is just my office. Looks nice, matches what I've got in here, works for me. And then I went ahead and grabbed this little lamp, which I adore because it's a very, very mid-century. That's from Amazon. I'll put that link in my description box below. The little salt lamp there was a gift from my daughter. I don't know where she picked that up from. It might have been Amazon, but I've had it a few years. And then my little head honcho sign my kids got for me when I had a more, you know, professional boss lady job. They thought I would put it on my desk, and they were kind of, I had to kind of like hide it and put it on my desk when they came in because I can't have something that says head honcho on my desk. Like, it's pretty pretentious. But anyways, I'm home now, so I can throw this head honcho little thing out. I did not buy that for my own self. My kids got it for me, I think for a Mother's Day maybe. Gift, but anyways, it sits there. It's kind of a joke. It makes me laugh and smile, and my kids are funny. I just have a little storage box there. It's just one of those ones with the Velcro little lid. See down here. And this is where I keep some of my Color Street stuff. And then this little container I won in a Color Street contest. These are all my little Color Street nails stuff in there. Got more things in there, but I use it for storage. I've got a utility bag. This is also from 31 Bags. This one is awesome for like anything. I can't remember. I think it's just called the utility bag. I don't know if they still have this print or not. I did not get this one from Grady's mom. My mother-in-law got it for me for, I think, Christmas. I think it was Christmas. If she watches this, maybe she can comment below and remind me for something. I believe it was Christmas. Might have been my birthday. But it's the perfect bag, you guys, for carrying anything. I highly recommend this bag if you're in education especially. And then I keep my laptop in here. I have an Apple laptop. A lot of us do that do the YouTube videos. And then this laptop bag was actually a great deal. It's super heavy duty. I love it. It was only like 13 bucks, and I got this at Amazon. If this is still available, because I've had it a few years, I'll go ahead and put it in the description box below. And so the only other thing I haven't talked about is my closet, which I use for my dresses and skirts. And some of my shoes and purses. And a yoga mat back there. Got some more 31 bags in there that actually holds bags. And so, yeah, this is basically where I put, because I ran out of room in my other closet that's in my room. So I decided to move my dresses and skirts and some scarves and jewelry over here. Did you just attack me? She has attacked me. You don't get my ankle. Look at her. Naughty this whole time. So you guys, I have a question for you. So when I walk into my room, see, it's like this. Try to give you a feel. It's hard when you can't see the whole room. So that's how I have it. I like how everything is. I do not like a lot of clutter. I like for things to be functional, but I also appreciate art. So I do like there to be a little bit of artistic flair, art in a room. I like things to be organized, and I always think functionally when I decorate. So I'm a little different than other people that way. This space over here, I am trying to decide if I want to get a little like mini white bookshelf to house my overflow of books, because I have two big bookshelves downstairs, kind of running out of room, but also I am on a plant kick right now. So I'm trying to decide what to put here. It's either going to be a little very simple, just like my desk, white bookshelf, or it's going to be, and I'm sorry for the cat in the background. It's like she knows when I'm filming, and she just, look at, now she's getting into look at that. Naughty. Anyway, so my question to you is, should I get like a potted plant, and the sun does come in and hit that spot all morning long? Like a potted, tall plant thing. Of course, she might mess with it. Or should I do the little bookshelf? So I am open to any suggestions down below. What would you guys do? I am going to do this as a series. I don't know how often it'll be, because when we moved into the house, we got hit by the whole COVID nonsense, just like everyone else. We had to rethink the way we were going to do things. We had to re-budget big time. And so what we did is function in the house first. We're kind of past the function part of things where we're getting into each room and really decorating. This room's completed, so that's why I'm starting with this room. So every once in a while, I'll throw another room on. I know I've had a few people ask me, because we did the house series, the house building series. I had a few people ask me if I would show my decor. And the reason why I haven't yet is when we moved into this house, I got rid of all my decor pretty much, like most of it. I really did, because I was going to start from scratch with a lot of it. Got rid of a lot of old furniture. We had budgeted all that out. COVID happened, so now we're kind of like going at a little bit of a slower pace. We're still doing it. It's still fun. So anyways, this is my office. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.